Hello, we're going to talk about the discriminant. The discriminant is the portion under the radical in the quadratic formula. The discriminant is simply b squared minus 4ac. And what we use this for is it will tell us what solutions we're looking for. So if my discriminant turns out to be equal to 0, there is one real number solution. If my discriminant turns out to be greater than 0, then there are two real number solutions. You end up with a positive number in the radical. And if my discriminant is less than 0, I have two imaginary solutions, negative number in the radical. Okay, and here's an example. Given the quadratic function or equation, I need to identify a, b, and c. So a, b, and c, and I plug that into the discriminant and solve. And really all you're doing is following your order of operations. Square, multiply, and then subtract the two. So my answer is 144. It is greater than 0. Therefore, I have two real number solutions. So very simply, if I solve the problem and I end up with this, then I know that I have one real number solution. If I solve this problem, the discriminant, and I end up with a negative number, so like -3, then I know that I'm going to have two imaginary solutions because there will be a negative number under the radical. Okay, guys, make sure you remember that. Make sure you remember that is the discriminant. Structure your work, critically think about what you're doing, and watch the publisher's videos. Good luck on the rest of your homework.